How to detect duplicate subtitles. To begin, I opened a subtitle in a video. In lines 15 and 16 you can see that there is a similar text, but how we can automatically detect lines with similar texts? Just go to Tools and select Merge Lines with Same Text. Here you can set the max milliseconds between lines, to detect only adjacent lines. If you want to detect the lines with the exact same text, remove the Include Incrementing Lines checkbox. But since my two lines are not exactly the same, I check it. Once you're happy with the result, click on OK button. And now lines 15 and 16 are merged into one big line. Now let's say we have two lines with different texts but the same timecodes like lines 9 and 10, how we can automatically detect these lines? Just go to Tools and select Merge Lines with the Same Timecodes. In the opened window, you have the max milliseconds difference again to only merge the adjacent lines. And once you're happy with the result, just click on OK button. Remember to adjust the duration of the new line. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.